Hello, this is the Gen 10 version of the 14-inch Yoga 9i 2-in-1 OR edition. To open this laptop, you need to undo just 4 Torx head screws. Sadly, 2 small Phillips heads are hidden underneath the rubber foot at the back. The only way to access them is to gently unglue the foot by using a thin plastic tool. With that out of the way, insert the same tool at the back of the laptop and lift the section close to the corners. Then, work your way around the sides and the front. Your final task is to hold the panel and gently wiggle it to detach the central clip. Here's what the bottom cover looks like when it's flipped over. There isn't much to do on the inside, which is fairly standard for a small 2-in-1 device like this. The battery has a capacity of 75 watt-hours. To detach it, pull the connector to the right and undo the 4 Phillips head screws. With the adapter unplugged, it powered the laptop for more than 9 hours of 4K YouTube video playback. That's a good result. The memory is soldered. The max amount is 32 gigabytes of LPDDR, 5x RAM rated at 8,533 megahertz. The Wi-Fi 7 card is also soldered. For storage, there is just one M.2 slot that is compatible with the shorter 2242 Gen 4 NVMe drives. The SSD is cooled by a thermal pad placed underneath. The cooling setup looks promising for a small IGPU-only machine. It includes 2 fans, a pair of heat pipes, 2 heat sinks up top, and 1 large plate in the middle. This plate extends over a large SMD power inductor on the motherboard, cooling it with a pad. Now it's time to take out the whole thermal system, unglue the film in the center, unplug the fan connectors. 3 screws hold the left fan and 2 secure the right one. 4 screws then fix the CPU plate in place. You'll need to untangle the cables around the fan housings. Pry the cooling with a lever tool. Here's what the cooling assembly looks like underneath. As you can see, the Lunar Lake CPU is accompanied by 2 memory chips on the left. Check out our full review at techpowerup.com.